So my daughter Lisa and my son-in-law John gave me this airplane mailbox for Christmas last year. Finally got it on a post and got it in use. So my daughter cut out the wings out of plywood and the tail, and then just attached it to the mailbox. I painted a propeller on the front, put a little spinner on there. So anyway, thank you Lisa for the mailbox, and if you guys that are into aviation, this is a good idea for a mailbox. Alright, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.